Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an E97 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what it is that the control board is sensing a program mismatch, which is whatever's going on with the dryer and whatever it thinks it's supposed to be telling the dryer to do, those don't line up. And 99% of the time, this is just going to be because your control board is fried somehow. It's defective and it needs to be replaced. Before you replace your control board, you should go ahead and do a hard reset on your dryer, which is to turn it off, leave it disconnected from power for a full 5 minutes, then restore power and see if that doesn't clear the error out. If the error persists, you want to go ahead and replace the electronic control board. If you get there, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for a tutorial in terms of how to specifically replace the electronic control board in your dryer.